In this video, I unlock the secrets of creating stunning seascapes with just 3 colors. Join us on an artistic journey as we explore the transformative power of the palette knife and minimal color palette. And here we are using ultramarine blue, burnt amber and titanium white. Like you can see in the beginning, I did the sketch, which is very simple, just to have a bit of a plan where I gonna paint my rocks and waves and the horizon. And starting spreading the darker colors from the top, which is ultramarine blue and burnt amber mixed, and building up a little bit more white and spreading it slowly. And it's all about to try different things and be creative, and if you make a mistake, it's okay. You just swipe it until you're happy with it. And when you add darker paint on the top, the light paint, obviously the less you working on it, the darker it stays. If you wanna blend it, it goes more lighter. Just be a creative, whatever you want to do. And because we have only 3 colors, so it's easier to control. And also clean up your palette knife regularly, that you get the cleaner swipe. I just add up a little bit more titanium white in the middle because I wasn't happy with the too dark in the middle. And it's important to keep it nice and light, that the color, whatever you put on, doesn't mix underneath unless you want to blend it in. And the most important thing is just have a fun with it and try different things. It's all about creating your own style. With the titanium white, tapping it up a little bit with gently with your palette knife and swiping it and blending it, you get the different effects, like you can see. Somebody would ask you, why would you paint with your palette knife only? Well, you do get the texture and different effects from it, and it is one way to paint your painting as well. It's just one fun thing to do, and I do recommend it to anybody who like to try different things with the painting. And now I'm starting the horizon, the ocean horizon part of the painting, doing the underpainting first, spreading it with your palette knife and darker colors from the bottom. And I usually do that, the dark colors from the bottom and darker colors on the top, because your focus is in the middle. And this time I got the focus right in the middle, but usually I go a little bit to the right hand side. And there is like a study made that your eyes, like reading a newspaper, your eyes always go to the right hand side, and that where the advertising apparently is the most expensive part of the paper. So it's interesting, what it does, certain compositions with the painting as well. And here I start with the titanium white, tapping up those highlight with the foam It's pretty easy to just tapping it up, getting those water triple effects. And like I usually do, I let the painting at the end dry for a couple days, and then I do glazing, which means transparent color on the top, the dry paint, which gives that a little bit more 3D feeling of the painting. And once in a while it's good to step back a couple meters back and have a look at your painting. And I needed a little bit more contrast on the waves and dribbles. And here on the main wave I just put a little bit more darker blue colors, and on the front as well, the front little wave as well. And here I'm just using a little bit more titanium white, and here we go with the front wave, just a little bit more contrast. And it's just all about to play with the colors and swiping and find your way, your style and so on. I was just listening one of the ladies who is a great painter, and she was saying that it's great to know how to paint exactly what the scenery landscape is, but it's more liberating to add your own stuff into the scenery and be on control of the scenery as well. So it is definitely liberating to do your own style, and even the landscape, what are you doing? You just add your own stuff in there and it's your style painting. Like you saw in the beginning, I made a very simple drawing sketch on this painting, because I know that I change a lot during the painting and decide to do while I'm painting it. And it's the creative part of the process of the painting as well, you could say. And again, nothing wrong with the proper sketch of the painting. It's just different ways to do it and different style, I suppose. And here we got the easy way to do the little moon on the sky, just using the earbud. And now after 2 days, painting is nice and dry, so I'm doing the little tall ship now, and it's just easier to, if you make a mistake, you just wipe it off with soft paper and using your palette knife for the mast, get the nice and straight lines. I did make a little mistake before and I wipe it off with the soft paper. And now it's time to do some glazing, which is my favorite part of the painting process. I just love adding some color, and it is transparent color what I'm using. And if you got too much of it, just wipe it off with the soft paper. Final touches with the sponge. It's a great tool for highlights, especially on the ocean part of it. We are getting end of the video now. Thank you for your company. And if you're interested, I have another Seascape HMS Pandora tall ship, if you wanna check it out. And thank you so much, and see you there.